Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Orkney Viewpoint, located in the scenic Kneehill County, Alberta, just a short drive from Drumheller. This viewpoint offers one of the most breathtaking panoramas of the Canadian Badlands, a landscape renowned for its rugged beauty and unique geological features. As you stand here, you'll be treated to sweeping views of the Red Deer River Valley with its dramatic cliffs, colorful rock formations, and vast open spaces. The name Orkney for this viewpoint is believed to be inspired by the Orkney Islands in Scotland, reflecting the area's Scottish heritage. Many early settlers in this region were of Scottish descent, and they often named places after locations in their homeland. The Orkney Viewpoint serves as a reminder of the cultural ties that connect this part of Alberta to Scotland. The Orkney Viewpoint is situated in an area shaped by millions of years of natural forces. The Canadian Badlands are characterized by their eroded landscapes, which were formed by wind and water over countless centuries. This process has created the striking Badlands terrain with its steep slopes and intricate patterns in the rock layers. The Red Deer River, which flows through the valley below, has been a key player in shaping this landscape, carving out the deep valleys and canyons that define the area. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful place to enjoy the view, the Orkney Viewpoint offers a memorable experience that captures the essence of Alberta's Badlands. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Kneehill County, Alberta. Thanks for watching.